So good morning everyone. Hello, I am Pawan. I am the spoken English trainer of English Premium Institute. Today is our respective guest, the respective Priya ma'am, and she has completed spoken English class in our institute. So I will ask some question. What is your feedback? What is your review about our institute? So ma'am, welcome ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ma'am, I think our audience they don't know about yourself. Ma'am, can you say something about yourself?
Yeah, so hello. First of all, my name is Diama Patra. I am a student of, I have just completed my plus 2 science in the Ramadevi University, and I am now preparing for the BTech in private colleges, and yeah, that is it for about myself.
Ma'am, what motivates you to speak English?
Yes, sir. So whenever I go outdoor, whenever I talk with my relatives and my cousins who studies in the high educated English medium school, but as I belong to a proper Odia medium school, and as you all know that there in Odia medium schools, the spoken English is not really good. We all speak in the our national language, that is Hindi, or our language, that is Odia, and that's why the spoken of my that's why the English of mine is very bad now. That now it is not before coming to the English Institute class, and that motivate me to learn how to speak English
Thank you, ma'am.
fluently.
Ma'am, tell me something about our institute. Can you say something about our institute? About our spoken English class, all that thing there.
Yes, yes. So basically, the English Premium Institute is really very good. To as you don't know about how to speak English, as your tense and the basic things of English is very low, then you can prefer this English Premium Institute. The spoken English sir of our is Baban sir. He is very good in English, and the English. The speaking style of him is very good. I really inspired from him, and you also prefer this English Premium Institute class for your better English program.
Ma'am, which thing? Ma'am, thank you so much for valuable words about us, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, which thing you really miss about our classes in your future?
Everything I really miss. The precious time that I spent with this institute, I really miss that in the future, and the variety of games that you played with us, I really miss them. And first thing I really miss, that is you, sir. I really miss you, and yeah, that is it. Everything I will miss.
Ma'am, how do you handle your nervousness and whenever you have some grammatical mistake? How do you handle all that thing?
Yeah, grammatical mistakes. In this interview, grammatical mistakes also happen, and for this I really felt sorry. And this thing, nervousness, I come upon my nervousness. I fight with my nervousness, and I really think that nervousness is a thing. With nervousness, you can't do anything. You can't speak English in the public, and in this institute, Pavan sir really helped me to come above my nervousness. And yeah, in this way, I really deal with my nervousness.
Ma'am, in our institute we have done lots of activities.
Yeah.
Okay, which activity is your favorite activity?
Daily speech is my favorite activity, because if we give speech every day, then the speaking of ourselves is really improved. As we all came here to learn how to speak English, we don't came here to do grammatical errors and to learn grammatic things. We come here to learn about English and how to speak English. So if we give speech every day, the speaking ability of ourselves really increased, and this is the thing I really appreciate.
So, ma'am, how do you means give some rating on the basic of 1 to 10 about our classes? And all?
Yeah, 10 out of 10, 10 on 10. If I give 100 out of 10, that is
Thank you so
really
much,
good.
for of that, ma'am. Ma'am, means what is the best memorable day of my
Memorable day. Every day is a memorable day. And yeah, the activities that we do outside, that is really very good. And we played a lot of games outside, and we also played a lot of games in our institute, in our English in our classes time, and that is our most memorable day.
Would you recommend it, our institute, our classes to means to anyone? Sir?
Yeah, definitely. If someone asks me about my speaking ability, so I definitely recommend this institute.
Ma'am, what is your favorite word?
Favorite
What?
word? Myself. I.
And thank you so much for outstanding feedback about us. I really miss you. I really miss your smile. I really miss your son. Later, you sir, like this other thing is there. I really miss it. And definitely, thank you so much. I always with you. Whatever problem, challenges you face in your future, whatever support you have required, I always with you. And thank you so much. I'm going to help you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.